AI chatbots for small businesses. First of all, do you really need an AI chatbot for your business? So, if you answer yes to one of these questions, then you actually need AI chatbot for your business. If you are already getting messages from your potential customers on Facebook or Instagram or even on via website, they actually contact you through the email. If then you actually need an AI chatbot, or if you're actually spending tons of time handling the customer support. For example, let's say a particular customer send you a message on Facebook asking about one of your specific service, then you actually respond to them manually, then you actually need an AI chatbot. Or if you're actually collecting customers details using a form, then you actually can use AI chatbot to collect those details effectively. So as a small business, you might actually have your Facebook page, Instagram page, or even you have your Google business message listing as well. So by implementing an omni-channel AI chatbot, you will be able to assist customers on all these channels, from Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Google business message, and even a chat widget on your website. When they actually go through the website, you can actually talk with them using that particular chat widget as well. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to build an AI chatbot for a small business. So let's get started over here. Before that, let's look at what are the benefits. So you can actually automate your customer support. So you don't need to actually spend tons of time answering to the same frequently asked questions asked by your customers. You can simply automate those using an AI chatbot, and also it helps with lead generation as well. Let's say if you want to collect some sort of customer details, or if you want to do some sort of lead generation, such as you can actually get a list of VIP customers for your business and do future marketing purpose. So then at that point you can actually use an AI chatbot, and even you can actually use AI chatbot for lead qualification, for appointment scheduling, and also AI social media managing. So using an AI chatbot, you can actually respond to the customers' comments on Facebook and Instagram. So when they actually ask some sort of questions in the Facebook post as a comment, you can actually use AI chatbot to respond to those comments as well. So in our channel, we have some videos explaining how to do that as well. But in this video, I'm going to explain about how to build an AI customer support chatbot, and also have some lead generation functionalities over here. So we want to keep things as simple. So let's get started over here. So here, this is one of the demo account. Here we have connected only Messenger, Instagram, and WebChat. As I told earlier, we actually support other channels, as you see here as well. So let's see how to build one. So first of all, you have to go to settings, integrations, and make sure you have the OpenAI ChatGPT connected. And once done, you can actually update the business information over here. So here we have some business information already. So let me delete this one first. And here we have some ChatGPT triggers, model, and temperature, and the tokens over here. So what you have to put in this particular business information is that you can actually add any sort of introduction about your business, and you can use some frequently asked questions as well. And even if you want to do some sort of lead generation, you can add specific prompts as well. So here I have used ChatGPT and created a business information over here. So here we have this this particular business information is about a coffee shop. So here let's copy paste the same business information to the business information field over here. So let me simply copy paste. So it says at Loan Brews we believe in more than just serving coffee, and they have some contact information and what sets apart, and also frequently asked questions, as you see here. So here you can actually add a prompt over here saying you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. So let's say here we have this particular business information pasted already. Along with that, I have actually added a prompt as well. So it says your name is CoffeeBot and a helpful assistant to Lone Star Brews. Respond to the customer's request in a friendly, helpful tone using one or two sentences. So I have this a simple prompt over here as well. So you can actually ChatGPT triggers. So ChatGPT triggers actually helps you to collect customer data. I will explain it in a minute. Before that, let's test this one. So here you can choose whatever the model you want to have over here. Here you can choose GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo. Here we can simply go with GPT 3.5 Turbo over here and click continue. So here we have provided the business information. Make sure to switch this on so that whatever the business information you have provided over here will activate, will actually use when a particular customer send us a message. So let's test this on Instagram over here, and let me ask a question. Who are you? And if you remember, I put the chatbot name as CoffeeBot, so it should say I'm CoffeeBot, a helpful assistant to this particular company or something like that. Let's see how this actually respond to us. I'm CoffeeBot, a helpful assistant to this particular coffee company. How can I assist you today? Let me see what sort of information we have over here to ask questions about this particular business. So they have the address over here, the email address, and do you host live events or performance? So let's see. So here one of the frequently asked question is that can I work or study at Lone Star Brews? Of course, lawns are designed to be a comfortable space for remote work or study. We provide free Wi-Fi, ample seating, those kind of things. So instead of asking that particular question, can I work or study, let me ask, do you have free Wi-Fi? And see how this actually respond to us over here. Let's see how. And it says yes, we provide free Wi-Fi for our guests enjoy while they work, study, or unwind at Lone Star Brews. Simple as that. So here it simply answers as all. We can ask what is the address. So whatever the questions you asked from this particular information, it simply provide the answers over here. Address is this sort of address. If we go back, this is the address over here. Now you might be wondering how a particular customer actually can talk with an agent. So this particular chat is actually recorded in the omnichannel inbox as well. So if I go to the omnichannel inbox over here, we could check the whole chat over here. So let me open that particular omnichannel inbox over here, and as you see here, we have this particular chat over here, and currently this particular conversation is handled by the bot, and that's why it says the bot is active. However, if I go to this particular business information over here, go back again, and here ChatGPT triggers. So one of the ChatGPT trigger will be active is that connect user to human. So this will be actually activate by default on all the accounts. So whenever a particular customer says they want to talk to a human, or can I talk with an agent, or if their intent is to talk with a particular human agent in your business, then the particular chatbot will stop and transfer the conversation back to a human. So in this omnichannel inbox, we have these three filters: human, bot, and all conversation. So if I go to the human over here, we don't have any conversation assigned, and all conversation, you can find conversation from human and also the bot as well. So here at the moment in the all conversation for this particular contact which we are testing out in the Instagram, it says the bot is active. So when this particular person says I want to talk to a human, or can I talk with an agent, so let's say can I talk with an agent, this particular chat will be automatically assigned to an agent automatically, and after that whatever the questions sent by the customer will not be responded by the chatbot. An agent have to jump in to respond to the customer. And as you see here, it says I have connected to a human, and as you see here, the bot is active, is already gone. And here if they actually tries to send any sort of messages over here, they won't get any sort of messages, any sort of responses, because it simply already assigned to the human over here. So and if I go to the human folder, we will see that particular conversation over here, and if I go back to the bot folder, we don't see that conversation as you see here. And a human agent can simply message or respond to the customer from here as well. So that is just one way of this particular conversation is assigned to a human. There is also another way. Sometimes the customer will be chatting with your chatbot, and sometimes if you want to jump in to a particular chat, you can do that as well, and at that point that particular conversation will be already assigned to the human. So here if I send a message again, here the bot is active, so we will receive responses using the AI chatbot. So instead of here it says how can I, if you have any question, feel free to ask. So instead of customer saying, can I talk with an agent or something like that, as I said before, if an agent actually respond to the customer using this particular omnichannel inbox, then this particular conversation will be already moved to the human. So here, keep seeing, it says bot is active. As soon as I send a message saying hi, this bot is active will be gone. So let me show that. And as you see here, it's already gone. And the customer will also receive that sort of message as well. Even if the customer send any sort of messages here, they won't receive any sort of responses back from AI, because this particular conversation is already assigned to the human over here. But this also happens the same when you actually send a message using your Instagram inbox as well. So whether you can use our omnichannel inbox to chat with the customers, or even if you use your own Instagram mobile app or inbox to chat with the customer, if you actually send a message to the customer through that as well, it simply assign the conversation back to the human as well, so the chatbot will automatically stop. So that's sort of features available to handle the conversation effectively and provide a better support to your customers over here. So now we have seen how the AI customer service work, and also how a chat conversation can be easily assigned to an agent by a customer request, or by you interfering with a particular customer's chat. Now let's see how to build an AI lead generation flow over here to collect the customer's details over here. For that, we have to use this particular tool called as ChatGPT triggers. So if you head over to settings, integrations, opening a ChatGPT, we have this ChatGPT triggers over here. As you see here, ChatGPT triggers allows you to collect data and trigger flows. So we want to simply collect customer data over here. So let's create a new ChatGPT trigger. Become a VIP customer. So let's say allows customer to become a VIP. So the name of the trigger is VIP customer, allows customer to become a VIP. Here, let's say we collect their name. So name can be saved in the full name field, and the email we want to collect will be saved in the email field. The reason we are actually saving this field over here is that if you check their profile, so for example, omnichannel inbox, their profile, you can actually see those details after we collect it automatically. So that's why we actually saving those fields in the relevant custom and system fields we have over here. And let me add the phone number as well. So we can actually send, and it's possible to trigger the flows as well. So let's say if you want to send all these 3 details to a Google Sheet, you can actually do that using triggering the flows. For now, I simply say a confirmation message, output message, thanks, you are a VIP customer. That's it. So let's create that particular ChatGPT trigger. Another important thing is that in the OpenAI ChatGPT integration, we have to make sure that is active as well. So here, ChatGPT triggers connect to user human is only active. So we have to choose become a VIP customer active as well, so that it can actually allows customer to collect those kind of details. So here we can actually add a prompt as well. So here I added a simple prompt as well. Encourage customers to become a VIP to receive exclusive offers and discount. If a customer wants to become a VIP, please collect their name, email and phone number. That's it. So now we can actually test this again as well. And as you see here, the bot is active. So whatever the message I sent will be handled by the AI chatbot. So let me send hi and see what happens. Hello, welcome to How Can I Assist You? So let me ask, do you have some discounts available? So let me ask this sort of question and see what happens over here. And it says, absolutely, we offer exclusive discounts and offers to our VIP customers. Would you like to become a VIP and receive special perks? It simply asks the customer whether they want to become a VIP to receive this sort of special discounts and perks. Yes, I'm interested. And it should actually, after that, it simply collects the customer name, email and phone number. As you see here, great, to get you signed up as a VIP, I will need your name, email and phone number. Can you please provide that information? Sure. Jim here. Let me provide my name only and see what happens. It should ask me for the email and phone number over here. Thank you, Jim. I just need your email and phone number to complete your VIP sign up. Sure. Let me provide some email address over here, and let me just use gmail.com, and my phone number is, let me provide the phone number as well. Done. So I am providing the email and the phone number in just a single message. Let's see what happens. So it should send us the confirmation message saying you are a VIP customer, something like that. Let's see how we actually receive the message over here. And it says you are all set, Jim. You are now a VIP customer and will receive exclusive offers and discount. Thank you for joining our community at this particular coffee shop. And if I refresh this particular page over here, we should see all the name, email and phone number we have just provided. So here I provide the name as Jim and the email I provided over here, and the phone number is already here. And this particular customer is already a VIP customer, and we have just seen a demo of how the AI lead generation works. So that's how you can actually implement other lead qualification, appointment scheduling, and also social media management through the AI comments, replies on Facebook and Instagram as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.